Hello, welcome to YouTube Charbel channel. Today we're talking about SharePoint. So, what is the point to use SharePoint? It can be like the document management. This allows secure storage and organization of documents. Also, we have collaboration facilities to have a teamwork through team sites where members can share files, data, and news. Also, we have the process automation. Integrates workflows to automate repetitive tasks. And then we have an intranet. As anyone can see, it can create intranets for internal company communication. We are now on our site on SharePoint. So let's click on Create Site. And then, for the purpose of this video, we need to have a theme site, standard theme, and then we need to use the template. Okay, so the site name is available, means that you can name it like that. Next, then you can set the privacy settings and the language. For this video we will leave that like that. Create a site, and then you can add members here if you want. The members that you will add on this site will see all the communication things and the files that you can share on this site. Let's see how is that. Okay, your new site is now created. You can start customizing it by adding web parts such as document libraries, calendars, and new feeds. To do this, click on Edit button on the home page and start adding the web parts you need. So, wherever you need to edit and personalize, you can click on that component, or just have a new post like this. You can select a video with the template to have a better description of your post, or kinda, and then that's it. It's like the intranet for your company. Hope you doing well, and that's it. See you around.